North Huron Blyth Fire. Please respond to 38441 Glens Hill Road, cross streets of Donnybrook Line and St. Augustine Line. First, skidster on fire, smoke and flames visible, nothing around, approximately 40 liters of fuel in the tank. Again, that's 38441 Glens Hill Road, cross streets of Donnybrook and St. Augustine Line. First, skidster on fire. Time on second page is 12:02:13. Please respond.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 1.
Go ahead, car 1.
Page acknowledged for the Blythe station.
Roger, acknowledging page at 12:02:30.
Car 1, car 3. Go ahead, car 3, car 1. Car 1, at this point, I'm going to take tank 9. There's only 2 of us here. Yeah, roger that. We can roll the engine out of Wingham if we need to. Car 1, car 2. Go ahead, car 2. We have 3 or 4 left out the Wingham station. You want us to roll engine 1? Yeah, roger. Let's roll engine 1. Roger that. Car 3 and car 2, I've turned around. I'm going to head that way as well, just to help out. Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1 responding from Wingham. Bravo +4.
Roger, car 2, engine 1. Responding, Bravo +4. 12:05:44.
Dispatch, tank 9.
Go ahead. Unit calling, go ahead.
You can show tank 9 responding car 3 +1.
Roger, tank 9 responding car 3 +1. 12:07.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
Could I have that 911 number again, please?
Roger, it'll be 38441 38441.
Roger that, 38441, that's the room, thank you. Fire dispatch, you can show car 1 arriving on scene.
Roger, car 1 on scene, 12:14:37.
Tank 9, car 1. Go ahead, car 1, tank 9. Yeah, you're going to meet a gentleman on the road. We're going to have to come back in the field. The skid steer's a little ways back. It's going to be a bit of work to get some holes back there. We can try with just water cans first if you wish. Roger that. Car 1, engine 1. Go ahead, engine 1. We're roughly about 6 minutes. Yeah, just be careful with the heat fans because you're going to have to come back in the field. It's just one small skid steer blowing, no explosion or anything. Just a bit of a work to get back here. Yeah, roger that. Command unit is right behind us as well. Dispatch, tank 9.
Go ahead, take 9.
You can show tank 9 arriving on scene.
Roger, tank 9 on scene, 12:17:17.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, tank 8.
Tank 8, go ahead.
Tank 8 responding, hotel +1, Belton.
Roger, Tank 8 responding, Hotel plus 1 belted, 12-17-40.
Command, cool, Wingham Station. Oh, go ahead, Wingham Station. Would you need additional units from Wingham Station? Fire dispatch, North Huron, engine 1.
Go ahead, engine 1.
You can show engine 1 and car 2 on scene.
Roger, engine 1, car 2 on scene, 12-20-36.
Command, engine 1. Command, engine 1. Go ahead, engine 1. Command. Do you want us to try to get engine 1 back there with the manpower? That's negative. Just send a couple guys back. Everybody's strength 2, but I think you said with air pack. Yeah, Roger. Car 2, command. Go ahead, command, car 3. Yeah, when you have staff available, you want to bring a pry bar down. Try to get this rear door open where it's still burning. Will do, they're here momentarily. Fire dispatch, North Huron, Tank 8.
Tank 8, go ahead.
Show Tank 8 arriving on scene.
Roger, Tank 8 on scene, 12-27-41.
Tank 8, you can just stage at the road with engine 1. Copy that, command. Car 3, can you add one more length of 1.5 inches to that, please? Will do. Command, water coming your way. Command, engine 1. Go ahead, engine 1, command. Command, be advised, EMS on scene. Yeah, Roger, you can advise EMS they're not required. Roger that. Tank 8, car 3. Go ahead, Tank 8. Tank 8, you can return to Blyth Station. Roger that. Command, engine 1. Go ahead, engine 1, command. Command, be advised, the wife of the Bobcat is here and wanting to come to the scene. Please advise. Yeah, roger that, that's fine. Command, engine 1. Engine 1, command. Command, be advised, OPP is on scene.
Dispatch copies, OPP's on scene, 12-36.
Dispatch, car 1's clear to scene.
Roger, car 1 clear of scene, 12-36-44.
Tank 8, car 3. Go ahead, car 3, tank 8. Whereabouts are you at? We're just trying to get turned around on the road here. Okay, hotel, I'm going to have you come in, leave the truck there, you come in here,
and I got to get to town. I got a conference call I got to go on here very shortly. So I'll take tank 8 back, and you can run tank 9.
Roger that. I'll get it spun around for you.
Hotel car 3.
Go ahead, car 3.
When you come back, bring senior release form out of engine 1, please.
Will do. Fire dispatch, North Huron, thank you.
Go ahead.
Thank you for the release of Steve, returning flight station.
Roger, tank 8 released and returning to Blyth Station, 12:41:41.
Hotel, Bravo. Go ahead, Bravo, Hotel. Yeah, let's take it. Bravo, can you repeat that? Hotel, Bravo. Go ahead, Bravo, can you repeat that last transmission? You can shut this line down. You can show into control and the lock stop. Roger that. Break, fire dispatch. You can show lock stop at this location.
That's Roger, lost stop, 12:43:39.
Fire dispatch, North Huron car 2.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you can show commands terminated. All units are returning to their station. Property is left with the property owner.
That's Roger, car 2, command is terminated. All units are returning to their stations and property is then left with the property owner, 13:02:25.